Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title and by my hair, I tried the wet look. So if you guys want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It was super easy. It didn't take me very long at all, and it's definitely something that I would probably do again. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how I did that, stay tuned. So we're going to get right into it. I'm starting out with freshly washed hair. I shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned. And yeah, I recently cut my hair. I haven't made a video about that yet, but hopefully I will soon. So you're going to go ahead and section. I usually section into 4 and then work in smaller sections as I'm going through. And I'm using my Kinky Curly Knot today as my leave-in, so I take a generous amount and I smooth it all over that entire section, and I also break that section up to make sure that I did not miss any pieces. So you're going to want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly coated in the leave-in conditioner. And then you're going to make sure to detangle your hair. So I'm using my Denman brush and I'm just going through in small sections. I'm breaking down the sections even more because I find that it's even better when you work in small sections when you're doing the wet look. So now I'm just applying some gel to that section. And as I'm applying the gel, I'm also using my comb as well, my brush, and making sure that the section is smooth and I don't feel any lumps or flyaways or anything like that. So again, I'm just applying the gel and then combing it through and then combing it down as well so that I get the look that I want. And then I decided to start from the back, so I'm going through and sectioning the other side of my back half. I'm applying my leave-in conditioner as well to that side, making sure to get every single strand as well. And as you guys see, I'm doing this again, separating each section into a smaller section to ensure that the leave-in conditioner is all over my hair. And I'm going through and separating that section again and starting to detangle with my Denman brush. I do something a bit different. So I am brushing back again, but I'm kind of brushing like at an angle. It's not straight down, it's just towards the back, and you really want to make sure that you smooth it down, especially around your ear. I know for myself it gets pretty puffy. So this is where you're also going to steps, 2 more short steps. So this is the almost complete look, and now I am going to add the last product, which is my mousse, and this is just going to help to set your hair and just keep it looking wet, you know, keep it with that wet look of just freshly walking out of the shower and having your hair soaking wet. And it also helps with any flyaways that you might get. So I'm just putting that mousse all over my hair, smoothing it in. Now this is the final step. You're just going to take your do-rag or your head wrap and just tie your hair down, and this is going to help it as well to set and stay in place. So yeah, just tie that on and leave it on for a few hours. You can leave it on for like a whole day or until your hair is mostly dry. So this is after about 2 hours, I would say, 2 or 3 hours. You're just going to try and loosen your curls a bit if they are pretty stuck together like mine. And also, if your hair is longer, you might not have your hair stuck together like mine was. But either way, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think, if you like it, if you would try it, or if you have tried it yet. It was really, really easy, and it lasted a few days. So right now my hair is not completely dry. The pieces in the back here are still a bit wet. My ends are dry, and also like on my scalp is almost dry as well. Yeah, I think honestly my hair would take a full day to completely dry, but it still looks really good right now. Yeah, have you guys tried this style yet? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, I guess that's it for this video. If you guys like to give it a thumbs up and let me know what else you guys want to see in my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe as well, because I really am coming back with a lot of new content, guys. I just got a new software, so I was really just trying to figure out how to use it at first, but now I'm good to go. So stay tuned for some more uploads, more videos. Follow me on Instagram if you guys are not already. I do post quite often there at Naomi Sarah, the same as my YouTube name. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!